Frustrated by the fmod event DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. To begin the walkthrough for fmod event L, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This DLL file is the logging version of the fmod event library. It is used during development to track and debug complex sound events and audio triggers in games using the legacy fmod engine. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. If the fmod event DLL is missing, it typically indicates a break in your system's rendering stack. Use the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime web installer to restore legacy D3DX and X audio files, then verify your GPU drivers to support any OpenCL or OpenGL dependencies. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the fmod event L, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like the fmod event DLL. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning the fmod event related issues. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got the fmod event working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.